show you guys. Aki mtoto wangu ako hapa. Nataka nimbebe. On Friday, I went to the market. I thrifted some stuff. So, this is the first stop in Akaivo. The second one. I loved it because of the happy days. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. So I'm just from the salon. I've gotten my hair washed and blow dried. So for the meantime, I'm waiting for my salonist who is supposed to do my hair. She's coming to my house. Yeah, so I want to do knotless with Spanish. Sijajua vile hiyo itawekwa, but I think anajua tu vile watu hutumia Spanish wakisonga watu. Also, just to make sure that sitasumbuka sana nikisongwa kuangalia mtoto na nini. I've fed the baby like really well. She has eaten like really well. I don't think kama atakula for the next like 2 hours. Yeah, so I want within the 2 hours tuone penye tutakuwa tumefika na kusonga. So yeah, that's all. I don't have anything else to say to you guys, but welcome to the channel and let's see where this vlog takes us. So hizi ndo hizo Spanish?
Yeah.
Unajua mimi sijui songa na utu tu vitu sijui
zo. Unajua zinashikana.
Zinashikanaga? So mtu unafanya?
Ukiweka mingi ndo zitashikana. So tutakuwa tunaweka chache.
Alafu kuna mafuta mtu unapaswa kupaka ndio isishikane.
Silimo vitu peke yake.
Okay. Sawa. Hizi ndo poa sasa fisi.
Sasa hiyo nimechukua ilingane na hiyo.
Oh, okay. Okay. Oh.
Zikuwa mingi, si ndio?
Zikuwa mingi.
Na penye napanga shai.
Nikipati. Endo dansia dada.
Nataka ile ya mwisho ama zile za huku katikati.
Hizo Spanish. Katikati na mwisho. So we are finally done. It has taken us like 4 hours, and that is because I took breaks in between to feed the baby. I would highly recommend, if you want to get your hair done at the comfort of your home, you can give her a call and she can come and do your hair. Mani nini? She can come and do your hair. Actually, she's so patient, Yani, and she does a pretty good job. So guys, Today is on a Monday, and the last time we spoke was on Thursday, I think. Yeah, on Thursday when I was getting my hair done. So on Friday, I went to the market. It was a market day, and I thrifted some stuff. Mainly, I went to thrift some tops and trousers for my daughter, and then I saw some pieces that I loved. So, nini? Nakutoa. Kula sweet. Kula sweet, mama. Oh, nilikuwa naambia nini? Yeah, I saw some pieces that I loved for myself, palazzos too. I want to show you the things that I got for my daughter, that is the tops and trousers. Now for myself, I'll do like a community try on. It's not that much, ni kidogo tu, like 3 palazzos and a dress. Yeah. So okay, wacha nikutolee hii. Utaki? So for my baby, let's start with the tops. I got some tops and 2 sweaters, I think, na trousers kama 5 hivi. Yeah, so this is the first top, inakaa hivyo. Some of the tops zenye nilichukua mwenye alizifua I think alimistake akaweka jip, na kuna zingine zinakaa ni kama zimekuwa bleached, but yeah, tufanya nini, kuna zingine zimekuwa bleached tu kidogo. Yeah, I think any or two, but let me show you. So this is the first top, inakaa hivyo. And then this is the second. I'm sure you guys can hear that noise. Kuna something that is happening near where I stay, so kindly bear with me. This is the third one. I think itamwacha like haraka, but I loved it because of the sunflowers and tu vile inakaa tu. I think ni hizo, but kuna mbili zenye nimemvalisha ni chafu, hizo zijafuliwa. Wacha tuingie kwa trousers sasa. So this is the first one, second one, the third one, this one. Now for the sweaters, I only got 2. Yeah, this one. I loved it because of the happy days. So for the tops and trousers, hizo tu ndo zenye nilipata. They didn't have like variety. I don't know, ni juu bado mwezi huko umeisha ama I'm not sure, but aliniambia like next time nikienda nitapata amekata bell nyingine. So yes, niweke tu hapo nje nachukua. Ebu, I'm coming guys. So this is the first fit that I got. This is a dress. It's super cute guys. I loved it because of the color and the details on the chest na pia huku kwa mikono. So I got this dress from Cutesy Collections. I'll tag them below and put their number down below so that you can get yourself some. Like they have really cute pieces yani. I think with time I'll do like a video for you guys to show you the outfits that I've gotten from them. Like they have super cute pieces, affordable ones, and yeah, cute too. Mtaona. I'll do the video for you guys. So let me show you this first. I do love it. I hope you guys gonna love it, and comment down below like which one was your favorite. Yeah. So I keep a hustle guys. Oh my goodness, doing a try on haul is not easy, but okay, so we are in outfit number 2 and it's just a palazzo. Unfortunately for the palazzos, I don't have the number of the lady that I got from, but maybe in future if I get something from her, I'll make sure that I get a number. Yeah. Now to outfit number 3. Yeah, same palazzo, not same palazzo, still a palazzo. I've tried it on with the same top that I did with the last one. So let me show you guys. Aki mtoto wangu ako hapa anataka ni mbebe. Secret. S-E sign. Vile like the legs go so wide, ilimpea tu vibe yenye napenda yani. Yeah, with these the last palazzo, I'm not actually feeling it like that much because it's kind of bigger on the waist na vile tu inakaa haikunijazi sana, but I need to get, yeah, nile want to kununua cause I don't know, but kiona mtu mwenye inamtosha naweza mpea tu. Yeah, but let me show you how it looks. It's the last outfit. You see? Vile waist ni kubwa. Yeah. Yeah, waist ni kubwa sana. Actually, I don't know why I got it because now thinking of it, I think sijui, I think vile nilipima like kwa shop ilikuwa inanitosha, but after kufuliwa and everything, I think kuna vile tu, I don't know, imepanuka kidogo ama I don't know, but I know I can get someone that can fit. Unakuanga na mfuko iko wapi? Oh, hauna. Ambia mamia kununulia mfuko.